Hello my beautiful minds, welcome to the Light Bite Show where you're being motivated and inspired for your better self. So today on Eve's Kitchen, I am back again to give you guys
what we call healthy recipe for those that like to work out. This is black beans we have there, right? Show them black beans. This is kidney beans, right? Mushroom, white beans, corn, green pepper, onions, garlic. Then we've got chicken breasts. You can see that. That's the chicken breast. We've got soy sauce as well. And then we've got our crushed tomatoes.
and we've got the parsley.
Parsley.
Yeah,
Parsley, and then we've got cumin as well.
cumin.
So.
And then you need some chili.
Chili, yeah, chili pepper, something, yes. And you can either use Maggi
Or salt. But
but
as you know, I always love my jumbo
so you're
chicken.
called the jumbo lady.
Yep. Watch us, my husband and I, as we prepare this beautiful, delicious recipe. Chopped tomato, blend the tomato, and then also blend your garlic, ginger, and add it to it. Also guys, as you can see, I have my fruits because I want to blend them, and I'm going to be making smoothie. Finished product, guys. This is going down this evening. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed my little tutorial today, and hopefully you try this at home and you thank me later. And yes, that's my fruit smoothie. Okay, until next time, keep staying tuned for more videos on Eve's Kitchen. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe. It costs nothing, really. It's free. Please subscribe and share it to loved ones, okay? Thank you and stay beautiful. Please subscribe!
Subscribe! Don't you like what we are doing here? Share.
subscribe. It won't cost you anything. Just click, subscribe. That's all. Bye bye.